There's a workforce challenge most leaders never see coming: caregiving. Caring for children, aging parents, or loved ones with chronic needs. It's a silent second job impacting 1 in 5 employees. They're showing up every day while silently managing doctors' appointments, decisions, and late-night emergencies. When leadership doesn't acknowledge it, it leads to burnout, absenteeism, and disengagement. It's not just one demographic, it's across generations, and it's reshaping how work actually works. This isn't a personal strain, it's a business challenge, and it's growing.
Are you ready to bake cultural change into your organization? Say, yeah! All right. It's sticking, and they understand and remember what they experience firsthand. That's when you start to change the culture from inside out.
I help companies develop real solutions, training leaders to respond with empathy and strategy. This is a leadership opportunity to build cultures that recognize the reality employees are living. Ignoring it costs more than time. It costs trust. If you want to keep your talent, you have to support the life they're living and building cultures that retain and respect caregiving employees.
You might say, who have you worked for? Well, I've worked for some of the biggest names on the planet, and I'm very proud of this list.
This is your opportunity to lead differently.